A static class is a special type of class that cannot be instantiated and can only contain static members. All members within a static class must be static as well. If any non-static member is included, a compile time error will occur. Static members belong to the class itself, rather than to an instance, meaning they can be accessed directly through the class name without needing to create an object. Static classes are useful for grouping methods, properties, fields, or constants that don't depend on instance data. They are commonly used for utility or helper functions, such as performing calculations, handling conversions, or managing global settings. Since a static class cannot have instance constructors, it guarantees that no object of the class will ever be created. The static keyword is placed before the class and its members, and the compiler enforces that everything inside the class is static. This ensures that all methods and properties inside the class are designed to work without relying on instance-specific data.